Okay, so I'm pretty sure that these colors are going to be good, but I want to go ahead and bake a sample. So I just took a little half-inch circle out of each of those, and then I'm going to bake it. I didn't really talk about baking. I did talk about that you could bake on a tile, but I didn't talk about that you wanted to put your pieces on either an index card or a piece of parchment paper or something like that, and then put it on a glass surface in your oven. And the only reason why we don't put it directly on a glass surface is that'll make the back of your pieces shiny. And then you have to sand those down unless you like that shiny bit. Anyway, here's those two pieces that I worked on a couple of nights ago, and I just put it on this piece of index card to get enough pieces to heat up the oven for. And remember what I told you about not storing your clay on paper, because you see these spots here. So the reason why you don't either want to store your clay pieces on saran wrap or on paper, paper leaches out the plastic, and saran wrap can actually meld to the plastic, to the clay, because really this is a plastic, right? And so if you ever roll out clay that feels way too soft and you don't know what to do, you can always put that piece of clay on a piece of paper or between a couple pieces of paper and lay a book on top of it, and within an hour it will have leached out enough of that plasticizer to make your clay more firm. But if you leave these on there, eventually it's going to leak out and then your clay becomes crumbly, so you don't want to do that either. So that's what happened because I left these pieces on here. I'm just going to go ahead and bake them on here since I want to get these two pieces fired, cured, so that I can see what the true colors are going to be.